everyone, Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 20-2 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 20-2 work together. In the last video, I read over the 20-2 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 20-2 work together, where we will be journalizing notes payable transactions. So the instructions say the journals for Landings Incorporated are provided in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. Using the current year, journalize the following transactions. Use page 3 of a general journal and page 5 of a cash receipts journal. Source documents are abbreviated as follows: check C, receipt R, memorandum M. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given two transactions, and they are dated on March 3rd and 18th. And number 2 is asking us to journalize the following transactions on page 9 of a cash payments journal. Use the maturity dates and maturity values calculated in Work Together 20-1. Okay, so as you can see here, we are given two transactions. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 20-2 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 20-2 work together, in which we will be journalizing notes payable transactions. Alright, so that is the end of the 20-2 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 20-3 text. Okay, thank you.